Hey everyone, this is Ed from Are You Cars. This is our 2018 Seat Leon. It's a 2-litre TDI FR Tech. It's the 184 bhp model. It is a facelift car and it is DSG. It's finished in urban silver with 71,000 miles, 6 or 7 services. Very nice condition throughout. Being the Tech Pack, it's got the LED headlights. It rides on the 18-inch performance alloys, which have been painted in gloss black, which look really well. It's also got the black mirrors. It's a very clean and straight car, as you will see. Got your privacy glass, parking sensors, your reg number there for any checks that you may wish to carry out. It is ULEZ compliant, it's a Euro 6 car. And yeah, just a lovely looking thing. The tyres are good, it drives without fault. I'll show you inside. Good sized boot on these. Very deep. You do get your split fold rear seats. And a big whacking great storage area there because they don't come with spare wheels. So yeah, good sized boot. No nasty smells or anything like that. Inside, this one has got what's known as the Techie cloth. That is not a spelling mistake. It is called Techie cloth and it is an optional upgrade. It's all in very nice condition with your centre armrest and your Isofix. And then of course the same in the front. Well, it's still drying a bit. It's been wet vacked. Ignore those stains. They will go when it dries. But immaculately clean. No wear or anything like that. Folding mirrors, heated mirrors, electric windows all round. Paddle shift. 3-spoke steering wheel. 71,504 miles. I forgot to show you. Illuminated door sills, which is a cool little feature. It's got ambient lighting as well, as you can see there before I start it. Oh, we need a key battery. Keep them in the office, that's all right. Zero fuel, we'll get some in it, don't worry about that. But as you'll see, there are no warnings. Your engine light illuminates and goes out as it should. No nasties whatsoever. Multifunction steering wheel. The steering wheel is all in fantastic condition. It's got cruise control just there. Dual climate control. Electronic handbrake. 6-speed DSG. Cup holders. Tech Pack comes with the, I forgot the technical name, but it's the later navigation system. As you can see, it is quite well equipped. As you can hear, it's got DAB radio. Obviously, it's got FM, AM as well. Your media inputs, which of course include your Bluetooth audio, your USB, your navigation, etc. As you will have seen there. Navigation. Phone, or your vehicle settings, but most important, it has got full link. So when you connect your phone via USB, you've got CarPlay, Android Auto, and MirrorLink. That's what that button there's for. So it is the latest style. All your features are there, everything that you would want. Glove box with the Easy Connect system in there as well, and your handbooks. And that really is it. Very nice car, quite unusual to find in the ST, which is station wagon. Get involved, give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.